Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to reset your color settings on your monitor back to default. So if you're having issues with your color display not working properly or HDR problems or some sort of resolution issue that may be somewhat tied to the color scheme of your computer. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve that without too much of a hassle. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, search for settings, best match, should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select system on the left panel, and then on the right side, you want to select display. On the right side, you want to scroll down underneath advanced display. It should be underneath related settings. You want to select display adapter properties. And now you want to select the color management tab that appears up here. Should be a button that says color management. Go ahead and left click on that. And now that we're in here, you want to go and select the advanced tab and then select where it says change system defaults down here in the bottom left. Select advanced and then check mark where it says use Windows display calibration. And then once that is done, go ahead and select close out of here. Okay, and that's all you have to do. You may need to restart your computer for the change to take effect, but that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.